In research fields like drug screening and antibody production, large quantities of recombinant proteins are often required. How do you obtain the enzymes your research needs in large quantities? However, producing them in-house can be time-consuming, as it involves multiple steps: gene preparation, expression, and purification. Purchasing recombinant proteins is expensive, and prices vary widely depending on the target protein. And what if the protein you need isn't commercially available? The ExiProgen EC-Bulk Protein Synthesis Kit enables efficient production of large amounts of recombinant protein. Featuring a 26-fold increase in cell-free protein synthesis scale and stepwise exchange cell-free technology, this kit accelerates high-yield protein synthesis. SECF, Bioneer's proprietary technology, enhances protein expression efficiency by sequentially exchanging feeding buffers during synthesis, continually supplying substrates and energy sources while removing impurities. The expressed protein solution is automatically purified using NINTA magnetic beads in the ExiProgen instrument. Simply combine the kit with your target DNA and let ExiProgen handle the rest. Expression and purification are done seamlessly. Protein expression takes 25 hours, and purification with buffer exchange takes 15 hours. That's a complete workflow in just 2 days. With this kit, you can obtain up to 10 milligrams of purified protein. We successfully produced 10 mg of GFP protein using this kit and confirmed high-yield expression of other proteins like poly-A polymerase, HGH, and FGF2. 4 step-by-step instructions. Check out the guide video on Bioneer's official YouTube channel.